So this morning, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account for your students. Having a Gmail account for each of your students is an incredibly useful thing. I do it for each of my students. It doesn't take very long. It really helps with communication. You can do some cool stuff with the Google Docs, with blogging. You can use it to sign into all sorts of websites like Khan Academy. Super, super useful. So this is how we do it. I'm in Google Chrome. You can do this from Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, any sort of internet browser that you like to use. And it's the same process. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to my URL bar, and I'm going to type in gmail.com. Excellent. So here it is. And in the top right corner, you're going to see new to Gmail, create an account. I'm going to click on create an account. And you'll see all this information. I'm going to create a fictitious student. Let's call him John Doe. Okay. Now I choose a username. I'm going to try to find something that isn't used. So test student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And it can be anything. I like to find something that uses the student's name so it can be individualized. You want to be careful, though, about creating things that use the first and last name just for issues of confidentiality. Might not be the best idea. But anyway, student test.student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can make it whatever you want. 7. Create a password. I am going to just put in random user. Okay. For the birthday, let's say January 14th, 1986. Just because, why not? Mail, I'm going to ignore the mobile phone part, and I'm going to put my email address as the current email address. So, Mr. spedtech@gmail.com. If you want to get a hold of me for any reason, that's the email to use. I put in my email address in there so that in case I have to reset the password or if I have to do any changes or access anything, or if the kids go in and screw something up, I can always get into the accounts using that email address. Super handy. And then I have this since AGEPLOC. And just to verify that I'm a human, which I am, and I'm going to agree to the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and here we are. We're done. We now have a student Gmail account, which is, again, super great to have. Here's their Gmail for mail. They have access to all of the things that we're going to be using: Google Drive, Google Calendar. If I look at more, you have your blogger, you have all those things that we're going to be using in the classroom, and it's already done, and it's that fast. I find that I can do a class of 20 on a prep period pretty easily. So it was great showing you this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Again, Mr. Spedtech@gmail.com.